Hi, I'm Alan Sagano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group, and today I'm here to talk to you about redundant internet lines. Today, I can't think of a company that couldn't benefit from this. If you do get redundant internet lines, obviously request what's called path diversity, so they don't follow the same path physically coming into your building, because that wouldn't be very smart. And if you can, try to get them for two separate carriers and two separate classes of carriers. So in other words, one might be traditional telco and the other one might be a kind of a cable provider or different provider. But I would say that almost every company now, if the internet goes down, you're going to be very, very, very sad. I have a really good friend who owns a mountain bike company, and I'm like, and we've known each other forever, so I'm like, hey, dude, you need to install a backup internet line at your office. And he's like, nah, it'll be fine. If the internet line goes down, we'll just all go to Starbucks, right? So fast forward like 3 or 4 months later, the line goes down and they're just dead in the water. And their ERP package is cloud-based as well. So Enterprise Resource and Planning package is cloud-based. And he calls me, he's freaking out. Hey, is there anything you can do to help me out? I'm like, well, remember that time we told you about installing the internet line? How much was that again? I'm like, well, it would have paid for itself already, Then guys, they like to razz each other and like say, hey, how's that Starbucks working out for you, right? So he got it after that, and they got a redundant internet line. So it is really important. Depending on your area of coverage, you can get a pretty fast internet line installed today for, a couple $100 a month. If it protects you from one outage a year, it will pay for itself for that entire year and then some, right, in lost productivity. Also, if you do get a redundant line, make sure that it's as fast or faster than your primary line, right? So in other words, if you have a 100 meg primary line and you install a backup line that's 5 meg, guess what? You don't have a backup line. The performance is going to be the technical word is crummy, that, it's why bother? Why don't we just send smoke signals or something? It'll be faster. So really want to have a backup line that's as fast or faster than your line that you're backing up, right? It kind of makes sense. I just say, you know what? Just get the fastest one they have that's available. What's the delta? $100 a month? In the scheme of things, it just makes sense, right? So that's our tip of the day. Obviously, make sure that your firewall can support it. Most firewalls now have the ability to either failover or load balance multiple WAN lines, or you can go SD-WAN, software-defined networking, wide area network, and a lot of carriers are providing that as well. So that's our tip of the day. Hope if you like this content, please hit that subscribe button, and we'll keep making the content. Thanks a lot for listening, and we'll talk to you soon.